Hello, little explorers. Are you ready to take a trip way back in time? Let's hop into our imagination time machine and travel to the world of dinosaurs. Roar! That's dinosaur for let's go. Dinosaurs were big, strong, and sometimes very scary animals that lived millions and millions of years ago, even before people were around. Some dinosaurs were taller than houses, and others were small enough to fit in your arms. They walked on land, stomped through forests, and ruled the earth long before you were born, or your grandparents, or their grandparents. Let's meet some of the most famous dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus rex, also called T-Rex, had sharp teeth and tiny arms. He was a meat-eater and could roar really loud. Brachiosaurus, a gentle giant with a super long neck. He ate leaves from tall trees. Triceratops had three cool horns and a big frill on his head. He looked like a walking shield. Velociraptor, small but fast and smart. They may have had feathers like birds. And guess what? Some dinosaurs were covered in armor, had spikes, or even claws as big as bananas. Some dinosaurs were herbivores. That means they only ate plants like leaves, ferns, and fruits. Others were carnivores. They ate meat and hunted other animals. And some were omnivores, just like some people. They ate both plants and meat. Different teeth helped them chew different foods, flat teeth for munching leaves and sharp teeth for chomping meat. So where are all the dinosaurs now? Well, they're gone. Extinct. That means they don't live on Earth anymore. A big change happened on the planet a long time ago, like volcanoes, meteors, and climate changes, and the dinosaurs couldn't survive. But don't be sad. Some of their relatives are still here. Can you guess? It's birds. That's right. Scientists say birds are the closest animals to dinosaurs today. How cool is that? Even though real dinosaurs are gone, we can still learn about them by studying fossils. Those are old bones and footprints that turned into rock over millions of years. Paleontologists, that's a big word, are the scientists who dig up fossils and help us learn what dinosaurs looked like, how they lived, and what they ate. You can see dinosaur bones in museums, read dino books, or play with dinosaur toys. Maybe you will be a paleontologist one day. Roar some job, little explorer. Now you know what dinosaurs were, what they ate, and where they went. Next time you see a bird flying by, remember, it might just be a tiny dinosaur cousin. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time for another awesome adventure. Bye for now. And roar, roar.